This year, a friend has given me several really cool projects, and as a favor to her, I told her I'd refinish this mirrored coat rack. Now, whether it's a large project or a small project, I enjoy both, but maybe even the smaller projects even more, because with a small time investment, I get to restore another piece of history, and it's always fun to see what something looked like when it was new. Welcome to Alley Picked. The finish is in rough shape. The silver on the mirror is shot. It will need to be replaced. Fortunately, I have this spare which I salvaged. All of the pegs are loose. Now it's just a lot of sanding. This saved me some time. I found that this brass wire wheel is aggressive enough to remove the finish but not damage the wood. For the new stain, I'm trying to match the old color. I found that a mix of cherry with a little dark walnut is the perfect combination. I like to apply the stain using a rag. Let it sit for a minute and then blend it in using a dry brush. If you immediately wipe it off with the rag, the color is going to be lighter than if you use the dry brush method. It does take a little longer to dry this way, but I'm in no hurry. You can buy new stuff, or you can restore old stuff. I choose old any day of the week. Real wood, better construction, lasts longer, looks better. Enough said.